Myself Pooja, and I am just recording myself because I want to become a camera facing person, because whenever I want to record myself there is some interruptions there ahead, and I feel very nervous, but there is some quotes there is some quotes that I that are shown me today nowadays, that no matter how much I am incorrect, but I should start today. No matter how much imperfect I am today, I should start. And no matter how much procrastination is becoming in my path, I should avoid all of them and start a new journey of facing all the problems and facing all the imperfections of mine. So what, I am recording myself, and this is my second video that is for that is I will upload that one I will upload on YouTube platform, and after 5 or 10 years later, whenever I will be fluent in English speaking, and when I achieve my dream success, you can see or you can watch me like hesitating or feeling hesitation or procrastination and speaking imperfectly. So I am just telling you a story that imperfection is not the impurity. Imperfection is good for everyone, because no one is perfect, and imperfection gives us and makes us to create or do more better things. How much harder we work on ourselves, no matter how much hard we work on ourselves, but we should do work on our imperfection, because if we don't start while we are imperfect, we never start, because perfection never comes without imperfections. Whenever we start with imperfection, it creates us and makes us failures. When failures becomes our path, it makes us more precisely achieving our success. But if we never starts with our failures or our imperfection, we could never achieve our perfection or our goal, because nobody is perfect, and we learn with our imperfection. Imperfection is good. If anybody tells you that you are just 10 failures away, if anybody tells you that you are just 10 failures away from your success, what will you do? Our failures and our imperfections makes us to do more better things. But if we never starts with imperfection or our with failures, we never starts with, because we never starts because the fear of failures. But if we never fails, how can we learn? And failures makes us successful as soon as possible, because in the form of failures we create our minds at do hard work, more hard work, and our mind do done the hard works, whatever we needed. But if we never starts and only thinks in our minds, there will be a plan that can be achieved in our minds, but it should be own work, because when we work on our plan, it matters with our failures or success. If it makes us fail or succeed, if we want to achieve our success, we should get failures, we should face our failures, because the fear of failures, we never tried our best, and we recreates memories, and we always burdened on our brains. But if we start a day in a day, it makes us more confident, because fear of failure never lets us be confident. And if we face our failures, and whatever we treated as a failure, that makes us more confident. And after facing hundred of failures, we can achieve success, we can achieve our dream, whatever we have. But if we never tried our best, we can never found our success. And if we waited for perfection, that would be our failure. Because when we challenge ourselves, and the burden of not doing anything is also a curse is like a curse on our brains, and it makes us feels guilty, because when we never do anything and we don't do work on our dreams, it makes us realize that we are imperfect or we are guilty. Our mind busy makes our minds keep our brains busy in thinking of failures, in thinking of our incomplete goals, and our incomplete challenges. Because whenever we take any challenge and we did not complete that, our brains took as like a life lesson and like a failure, and it stops trust ourselves on ourselves, because our brains thinks that when we did not complete our taken challenge, our brains thinks consumes our consumption it like a failure, and the fear of failure increase more and more whenever we tried our best and we face our failures. It do more favors on our brains and our mind. We can find our success and our goals. We can achieve our goals and our success. May God bless me with to facing my failures, and to do more hard work for becoming English for English speaking, and becoming fluent in English speaking. And while I can achieve my English fluency, and I can reduce my fear of failure and facing the camera. Thank you so much. Bye bye. We will meet again in latest in my upcoming video. Do not forget about like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much.